Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the basics right now. Check the phone number and recovery email listed in your Google account. A single-digit error stops delivery. Make sure your device has a working connection or switch to cellular if Wi-Fi is flaky. Once done, open Gmail in a private browser tab and hit resend code. If you still get nothing, try sending to voice call instead of SMS. This rules out texting blocks and moves the process forward quickly. Next, adjust delivery and security settings deliberately. You should disable any call or SMS blocking and check your carrier's spam or filtering features because carriers sometimes drop verification texts. Make sure two-step verification methods are current, generate backup codes, confirm an authenticator app is linked, or add a secondary phone. Also set your device clock to network time. Time skew prevents code acceptance. Once you update these, attempt sign-in again using the preferred method. To finish, use backup codes or the authenticator prompt if SMS or voice still fail. These bypass carrier issues. If you don't have backups, run Google's account recovery flow and provide recent activity details. Be prepared to wait 24 to 72 hours for automated verification. If that fails, contact your mobile carrier to confirm message routing, then reach Google support with timestamps and exact error messages. Troubleshooting tip. If codes never arrive, switch to a different.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.